In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a listing agent on Zillow, a vital step for those who are delving into the real estate market, either to buy or sell a property. Zillow is known for its comprehensive database of real estate listings, drawing interest from millions of users looking for their next home or investment opportunity. But to get personal insights, advice, or to make that all-important offer, you need to reach the listing agent. Here's how you can do that seamlessly. First, make your way to the Zillow website and make sure you're connected to your account. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend creating one, which will give you better access to saved searches, favorite properties, and contact agents directly. Simply navigate to Zillow.com, where you'll find the option to log in or create an account at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you're logged in, your next step is to find an agent. On Zillow's homepage, you'll see a navigation bar with several options. Click on Find an Agent, which will redirect you to a new page dedicated to real estate professionals. Here, you can start your search for listing agents specifically. To find a specific agent, use the search field. Enter the name of the agent you're interested in, or search by location if you're not yet settled on a specific agent. Let's take an example. Imagine you're interested in properties in California, Maryland. Simply enter this location or the agent's name to find what you're looking for. In a scenario where you're unsure of whom to contact, use Zillow's tool to locate agents connected to properties that catch your eye in the listings. This feature helps you discover competent agents who have experience in your desired area, which can be incredibly useful. Once you've found a listing that appeals to you and clicked on it, you'll often find details about the listing agent included. Clicking on the agent's name will take you to their profile page. It's here that you'll find all the relevant details you need. Scroll down the agent's profile, and near the bottom, you'll come across their contact information. This section is crucial as it gives you options on how to reach them. You have multiple ways to contact the agent. Feel free to call them directly using the phone number provided on their Zillow profile for immediate inquiries. Alternatively, sending an email is a great choice for non-urgent communication and allows for a written record of your contact, which can be useful later. Lastly, and less commonly used, is the option of attending in-person meetings. But do note this is largely dependent on the circumstances and your comfort level. There you have it, a straightforward method of contacting a listing agent on Zillow that opens the door to communication, providing personalized guidance and assistance as you explore your real estate options.